In this video, I will show you how to customize your preferences. More specifically, I'll teach you how to customize your user interface. This is just a fun little application that Paragon offers. If you see my little background right here, I have the option to change what the home icon looks like, the search icon, listings, CMA, contacts, financials, tax, etc. If you notice that this background is black, if you want to change the colors, you can click on Preferences, click on System, then you can click on User Interface, and right where it says Select a Theme, I can select a theme. I can choose anywhere from having a blue theme, which changes my background to a blue, anywhere to pink, and all these fun options. There is winter, beach, and also fun things like Midwest. You can click Save, and now you just changed your user preference. I hope you have fun with this one, and now you know how to change your user interface.